Hey guys, welcome back. Today we're going to be making something to protect our plants from our garden hose so it doesn't keep crushing it. They make garden hose guide stakes, but most of them that I've seen are really short. We're going to be making some taller ones so that the hose can't go up and over it. We're going to make it out of copper pipe. My wife saw this, liked the idea, and so she's going to be making this today. We have some copper caps. These are press fitting connections, but we're not going to be using a machine to press it. Just simply slide it over the top to cap the pipe on top. We've got some lengths of pipe and a pipe cutter. My wife's going to measure out 1 foot for these stakes, but if you have loose soil and you want it to go a little bit deeper and need some more support, you could cut it at 16 or 18 inches, and that will give you plenty of distance down into the soil to anchor it in place. Our soil is heavily clay based, and so it's very hard soil, so it'll have plenty of support with this 6 inches into the ground. That's 1 stake down. She's going to cut 1 more the same length. This is a great project if you have extra pipe laying around, or from a bathroom renovation like I had, where I tore out some of the copper piping and replaced it with PEX tubing instead. So I had some copper laying around. This is perfect because then all you'd have to do is buy a few caps, and you can do this pretty cheaply. However, if you are using old pipes, you may want to take some fine sandpaper and just polish up the pipes just a little bit so that they match the new caps you're going to be putting on them. Now the stakes are just about done. We're going to pop those caps on top and then take it outside and push it into the soil. Now putting these in the soil, the hardest part will be getting past the mulch that we've got here. The pipe won't want to cut through that very easily. So just push it to the side, push the soil in, and then you can fix the mulch after. So we'll push this in about 6 inches or so, and that will give you enough support to keep the hose out of your flower beds and protect your plants. So I hope you guys found this one helpful. If you did, hit that like button down below, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you want to see more. Thanks so much, guys. I'll see you in the next one.